Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable live captions in Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Open Google Chrome and click on the three dots icon. Then click on Settings. From there, go to Accessibility and turn on or off live captions to automatically create captions for audio and video. You can now choose your preferred caption language and add additional languages. Language packs used for live caption are stored on your device. You can also turn on or off hide profanity and Live Translate if you want. Live Translate sends captions to Google to automatically translate them. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.